Today we're talking about an essential tool for maintaining gardens and areas overrun with vegetation, the Oxeo 62cc gas-powered brush cutter. With its two-stroke gas engine and versatility, it's a two-in-one tool that promises an efficient cut. It's great for both edges and the toughest brush. Thanks to its robust design and high power, it perfectly meets the needs of amateur gardeners. If you're looking for a tool that can tackle tall grass, brambles, and even small shrubs, this could be the ideal equipment for you. Stay tuned until the end, as we will detail its performance and usage. All the details are in the description. This brush cutter features a robust and functional design. Its black color gives it a professional look, while its ergonomic and non-slip handles ensure a comfortable grip. Weighing in at 11.2 kg, it's a bit heavy, but that reflects the quality of the materials used. Its harness, adjustable with a quick release mechanism, allows for better weight distribution and enables you to work longer without discomfort. Its assembly doesn't require any specific tools, which makes it much easier to get the device up and running. Once assembled, it stands out for its stability and balance, ensuring smoother handling even during extended work sessions. The coating on the handles also helps reduce vibrations, making it more comfortable to use over extended periods. It features a 62cc gas engine that can reach a maximum speed of 9,000 revolutions per minute. Its 3.5 horsepower allows it to tackle both tall grass and dense brush. It comes with a 3-tooth blade for small shrubs and a special 2-tooth blade, bramble, as well as a dual-line cutting head with quick reloading. The starting system is optimized with a primer bulb, a choke, and a gear reduction starter for effortless ignition. Its fuel consists of a gas-oil mixture that ensures the engine runs smoothly. Its tank offers enough capacity for extended work sessions without having to refuel too often. Everything is designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, using durable materials that ensure good longevity. In action, the Oxeo brush cutter stands out for its power and efficiency. Its 3-tooth blade allows for effective cutting of brush, while the 2-tooth blade easily crushes brambles and dense vegetation. The dual-line cutting head is perfect for maintaining edges, pathways, and hard-to-reach areas. The line can be reloaded in just a few seconds thanks to a quick loading system. Its weight requires some adjustment time, but the harness and ergonomic grip partially make up for this challenge. Additionally, the simplified starting system avoids the usual hassles of gas engines, allowing for quick ignition even after a period of inactivity. The length of the cutting line can be adjusted without disassembly, an advantage for saving time in the field. In terms of maintenance, accessing the engine and the various cutting parts is easy, which makes regular upkeep necessary to ensure optimal performance. Compared to the Bosch AFS 2337, which is electric, the Oxeo offers more power and autonomy, making it ideal for larger areas, but it is also heavier. Compared to the Timber Pro 52cc, it offers greater power and better cutting capacity, although the Timber Pro is a bit lighter. Compared to the GT Garden 52cc, it stands out for its quick-line reloading system and overall sturdiness. The Oxeo also has a more torquey engine, providing better responsiveness in dense areas where other models struggle to maintain a high cutting speed. On the other hand, it may seem more demanding in terms of physical effort due to its slightly higher weight, which could be a factor to consider based on the user's needs. In short, the Oxeo brush cutter is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful and sturdy tool for maintaining their land. It combines performance, versatility, and user comfort from rigid. If you want to be welcomed at the end of the event, you can buy support for the channel. The name of this support is also on the screen. Leave a comment to share your thoughts, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.